They will help you record audio or to access the record audio tool in Capcut Mobile. Free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
To access the record audio tool in Capcut Mobile, make sure your clip is deselected and not highlighted. The bottom left hand screen and click audio. Underneath here, you want to scroll to the right and you see the second to last option, record. You want to make sure you click the microphone, or you can tap or press to hold to record. It was at this date that the environmentalists saw that we're doomed with the invention of the windmill, or without the invention, completely for free. As you can see, you can enhance the voice. You can click on the right to enhance the voice and to even clean up the noise, dragging to the right, clicking the check mark. Or you can even add audio effects to your recording. And add a bass boost, click the check mark, click again. Capcut Mobile is currently enhancing the voice to record audio. And it was at this date. Should I say this is the before? This is the after. And it was at this date that the environmentalists saw that we're doomed completely for free.